Tutorial is when a student goes up and writes down their POC on the board, and the rest of us students ask them questions to help them figure out themselves what their answer to their problem is.
My TRF is on the subject Algebra 1, and it's from my algebra book on page 489, number 45. The initial question is to write a polynomial that represents the area of the figure at the right, which is x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 2. Some vocabulary is polynomial, which is a monomial or sum of monomials.
What I know about my POC is you are commanding a person positively, and you are talking to the person, but you should conjugate it to L, AL, or instead. That's my critical thinking.
So, Jonathan, what did Ms. Gorman say was special about putting in an essay?
They're irregular.
I'm the student presenter, and I write down my point of confusion, while my group members help me solve my problem and by asking me questions. What I know about my question is I have to use a distributive property and I have to find the product. And my point of confusion is, how do you use a distributive property when there are 3 binomials?
Do you know how a regular double distributive problem works? A regular double distributive problem works. Like if that other expression wasn't there, like the n plus 4, can you show the work for that?
Adding your like terms after double distributing. What happened to the m variable without it being squared? Like 6m plus negative 6m.
Well, it was canceled out. So.
Yeah, but what is one thing Mr. Linden said that you have to add when you're...
I thought he said it was optional.
Yeah, but he said it might cause complications later if you don't have it.
I know there were several of you that had the same question. I think there were a total of 5 of you with the same POC or similar, at least a POC on the same problem. Now, is everyone there with it, understanding it, or do we need to go back to a different part?
I think I have an understanding of it, but I have one question. So, like, if you're trying to add, or say you're multiplying 2 different things that have exponents, when you're like combining the exponents, is it just like you just add them together and that's what it is? Like say if you had like 2x squared multiplied by like 2x squared, would it just be like 4x to the power 4 or? Alright.
Can you like write it down?
Oh, alright. It's more of something to keep track of what you're doing rather than required. Yeah, you got it.
But only you would add for the coefficients, not the exponents.
Good academic language.